Hi everyone. So my name is Dheeraj Misra, and in this video session, I'm just going to share my technique that I'm going to implement on GATE 2025. Okay, you can say as an aspirant. Okay, so many students from India, right across India, you can say they have been asking to me that okay, what should be the exact strategy, or you can say the real strategy to attempt GATE examination, right? In particular, see, regardless of their preparation, the method they know, right? Let's say you have to tackle MCQ question. See, there will be three kind of questions. Okay, so in this video session only, I'm going to tell you the technique how to tackle MCQ question, right, in the GATE examination. Okay, in very less time, you can say. Okay, and how can you reduce time according to your favorite subject? Okay, so these things are there. So without further ado, let's get into our favorite board. So this strategy I'm telling you for final examination, but this strategy that you can implement during your mock examination, guys, right? So I will recommend everyone to implement this technique, the strategy that I'm going to discuss in this video, because this kind of video you will not find on YouTube space. Everybody will tell you this is how one has to solve the question. In fact, many video I have seen, few guys are there, they solve one question for more than 1 hour. Okay, let me tell you, so nothing is going to, you are not going to learn anything from that. Okay, so these are some points that are going to save your time, and you will certainly get success in the GATE examination, right? So preparing for GATE examination is a different thing. Appearing and getting good rank in the GATE examination is another thing, right? So during the examination, what are the, you can say, kind of precaution, and what are the strategy that you have to implement? Okay, those things I'm going to discuss. So these strategies are only useful to tackle MCQ question. MCQ question means multiple choice questions. I will come up with another video, to discuss the strategy for numerical answer type question and multiple select question. So let's discuss here strategy during the examination. So the very first point that I always emphasize, in fact, while teaching some subject and while solving some question in front of the student in my classroom, okay, read the question carefully. Read the question carefully and understand at the same time what is being asked. So you have to read the question carefully. At the same time, you have to start, reacting also. Your reaction should start immediately. Okay, it should not be like that you are just reading the question, and after finishing one reading, again you come back and again you are reading, again you come back and again you are reading. When you are going to solve the question, please ask to yourself. Many students are approaching to me nowadays, since they are not able to perform well in their test series. They are asking, sir, why we are not getting marks in the test series. Okay, see, first of all, if you are solving only 3 to 4 questions, how can you score marks? Okay, you need to solve many questions, but how to solve that? See, you are solving 4 questions in, let's say, 45 minutes. So where you are falling? Okay, if there is a MCQ question, you are spending 7 to 10 minutes, regardless of the coaching that you have attended, or regardless of the teacher that you have followed, regardless of the material that you have consumed. Okay, this strategy is unique, and in fact many toppers in the GATE examination follows. Okay, those who have secured below 100 rank, below 10 rank. Okay, understand? So strategy during the examination should be this: read the question carefully. If you're going to miss any information in the question, and if you're not ready to react immediately the moment you go through the question, you will not be able to solve question in less time. Please remember, read the question carefully. Carefully means see the keywords in the questions, see the important, special, relevant information given in the question, which will help you answer the question. Okay, so that, and one more thing, how your reaction will start. While reading the question, you have to recall the concept that you have learned in the class, the material that you have consumed in the classroom or from any YouTube channels. So read the question carefully, understand what is being asked. In our days, in my days, in 2013, when I was preparing for GATE examination, I took the coaching, I prepared notes, but before the examination, we were not told any sort of strategy that how to tackle GATE examination, how to tackle any competitive examination, which is online computer based examination. Okay, nobody told us. Nobody told us. Okay, we have got the question and we are just blindly solving the question. It's okay, we know how to solve that question conventionally, but let's say there are three kind of question: MCQ question, NAT question, and MSQ question. So there are some strategy, there are some techniques, there are some mechanization, so that you could save your time, guys. See, there are 65 question, and you have to tackle those questions in 180 minutes. We think that okay, per question we have got more than 2 minutes, 3 minutes, right? But sometimes what happens, in some question we waste 20 minutes also, just because we have no, we did not learn the exact technique how to solve question in the main examination. You see, the very first point is read the question carefully. So what does this imply? Okay, read the question carefully means you have to understand while reading the question what this statement implies. Read the question carefully. It implies that understand what is being asked, identify that it's a theoretical question or the numerical question. This is also very important to keep in mind, whether it is a theoretical question or the numerical question. If it is not numerical question, then you just need what? The concept that you have learned in the classroom. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to, play with the numbers there. Okay. Only the thing is that you have to learn is you should know how to sketch something, right? You should know how to graph something, right? All those things. In every branch of engineering, in every subject, there is some, tips and tricks that okay, conceptual shortcuts that okay, to learn that concept, to remember that concept. Okay, so you have to recall the concept immediately. The first point is read the question carefully. Under that, what does this first point imply? It implies that understand what is being asked, identify it's a theoretical question or numerical question, and then note if there is a negative marking. So this line is ruled out. Okay, certainly there will be negative marking in the GATE examination if it is a MCQ question. So in MCQ question there will be a negative marking, guys, but in MSQ and NAT question no negative marking is there. That is a beauty of GATE examination. Okay, now second point, classify the question, right? Okay, you have to understand that these points you have to implement in your test series, guys, not in the final examination, so that you will be habituated, you will be adaptive with the main exam. So classify the question, easy, solve it immediately. जैसे मैं करता हूँ, let's say I'm analyzing 2024 question paper, right? Every day I spend many hours analyzing 2024 question paper, 2023 question paper, 2022 question paper, right? I see the, oh, okay, this question we can do, quickly solve it to save your time, right? So if that is easy question, you can immediately solve it. Okay, you will be given one scribble pad, right, like this. First question, easy, solve it. Second question, easy, solve it. Okay, understand? Easy, solve it. Second question, moderate, solve if you are confident, guys. Classify the question meaning is what? It implies that easy, if you find the question is seems easy, right? Easy in the sense that you have seen that conceptual, okay, you have seen that concept, based on that concept the question was asked. Already you have appeared in some test series or in PYQ. Certainly that question is gonna be easy, right? Or some, based on your prep, understand? So easy, solve it immediately. Don't waste your time. Okay, don't waste your time, immediately solve it. If it is MCQ question, you have to be careful, right? You have to use elimination process. I'm just going to come to that point also, right? So if it is easy, solve it immediately. Moderate, Solve if you are confident, but keep an eye on the clock as well. While solving moderate question, let's say there is little complication. हर सब्जेक्ट में कोई ना कोई एक क्वेश्चन, मतलब सारे क्वेश्चन में थोड़ा सा ट्विस्ट रहेगा ही, ठीक है. देयर विल बी सम ट्रैप, ओके. सो दैट क्वेश्चन बिकम्स लिटिल डिफिकल्ट, ठीक है. सो मॉडरेट सॉल्व इफ यू आर कॉन्फिडेंट, बट कीप एन आई ऑन द क्लॉक आल्सो, कि हाँ भाई क्लॉक को भी ध्यान में रखना है. ऐसा नहीं कि यू आर बिजी इन सॉल्विंग मॉडरेट क्वेश्चन. यही रीजन है आप टाइम को सोचते ही नहीं हो और आपका टाइम निकल जाता है एंड यू स्कोर वेरी लेस मार्क्स and come to me that Dheeraj sir, I'm scoring 4 marks in the linear algebra topic. Okay, that's what I'm telling you, right? So difficulty. Okay, now the third type of question that you will get is difficult, you can say. Mark it for the review and return later. Make sure that you will come back, but how you can come back? If you have spent less time on easy question, so you have already saved your time for difficult question. Moderate question, if you're confident, again you're going to take less time only. Don't waste your time much, ठीक है. Difficult question, if you're not able to handle that question, leave it, go ahead. Okay, don't stuck. If you're going to get stuck during the examination, entire examination is going to be bad, guys. I have very painful experience of 1 decade, guys. Let me tell you, मैंने 2013 से गेट एग्जामिनेशन देना स्टार्ट किया है एंड 2024 तक गेट एग्जाम दिया हूं. सी आई एम टीचिंग, ओके, बट आई हैव आल्सो अपीयर्ड इन द गेट एग्जामिनेशन विदाउट एनी प्रेप. आई एम टेलिंग यू, ओनली वट एवर आई टीच, आई जस्ट अपीयर इन द गेट एग्जाम based on the constraint, based on the condition, if I am available at that time, I am free. Okay, unless I prepare, I can't get any kind of rank also. ठीक है. तो ये जो टेक्निक मैंने एक्सपीरियंस की है, ओके, ड्यूरिंग द गेट एग्जामिनेशन, आई एम शेयरिंग विथ यू. सो रीड द क्वेश्चन एंड क्लासिफाई द क्वेश्चन, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, नाउ इफ इट इज एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन, ठीक है, एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन, ओके, व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यूज लॉजिक टू रूल आउट obviously incorrect answers. You have to use some logic. If it is MCQ question, you have to eliminate the wrong option, guys. Don't start solving conventionally and all, right? Okay, ऐसा नहीं है. पहले आप ऑप्शन देखा करो and narrow down your choices, you know, to narrow down to 2 choices. Okay, so it is going to improve your odds if you need to guess, right? Certainly you can guess also MCQ question, but you should be able to narrow down to 2 choices, ठीक है. So while solving the MCQ question, remember, whether you are appearing in the test series or main examination, right, you have to use elimination process, guys. In linear algebra also you might have seen my lectures, and there I discuss about elimination process. Okay, and the next that is very important is what? Plug and play. तो एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन को आपको कैसे सॉल्व करना है? दिस इज द क्वेश्चन वेयर यू कैन सेव लॉट ऑफ टाइम. इफ इट इज theoretical question, you can save lot of time. If it is numerical answer question, you can say it's fine. I mean, you're going to take little time, but still you can solve it. Okay, you can solve in 60 seconds, or you can say 120 seconds. Plug and play. Sometimes you can plug and play with the question. For some question, substitute the options into given scenario or formula to identify correct one. ये भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. Sometimes you can also go from option to question. जैसे डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन का क्वेश्चन आता है, solution of the differential equation is given, initial conditions or boundary conditions are mentioned. Don't have to solve everything from step by step and get the answer, guys. Okay, ये आप अपना टेक्निक इंप्रूव करो. Let's say the elimination is failing, like you're not able to apply elimination and all, then go for conventional. I'm not resisting anyone. You can follow your own technique. This is my personal experience that I'm sharing. Okay, plug and play. For some question, like let's say your favorite topic, okay, linear algebra, your probability, you can say that control system, okay, any subjects you talk about, right? जहां पर आप क्या कर सकते हो, यू कैन डायरेक्टली substitute the options into given mathematics, okay, aptitude, all these things you can do, okay. ठीक है. Next, this is also very important, guys. Use dimension analysis, right, for numerical questions. Ensure units are consistent. This can help identify incorrect options quickly. And 6 is very important, guys. Dimension analysis. You need to focus on dimensions, guys. Okay. Dimension is very important, right? Okay. What is the dimension of, let's say what is, let's say power they are talking about. Milliwatt, microwatt, okay, micro, milli, kilo, okay. All these things you have to remember. Skip and return. If a question seems time consuming, guys, mark it and move to the next one. Please don't waste your time, guys. Okay. And return to it after finishing the easiest one. Right. Once you have done all your easy questions, which takes a blinking, in the blinking of your eyes, you can solve those questions, right? So solve them. ठीक है. कुछ क्वेश्चन तो ऐसे होते हैं कि इमिडिएटली आंसर आ जाता है, बहुत ही क्विक आंसर आता है, राइट? ठीक है. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट क्या है आपका? So these are some points, to handle MCQ question, okay, during the GATE examination, guys. And these are the strategy. These strategy you have to, what you have to do here is you have to implement in your test series. अगर आप ये फॉलो नहीं करते हो, गेट में टॉप 100 में रैंक नहीं आने वाला है. ठीक है. टॉप 100 में रैंक लाना है तो आपको मतलब श्योर रखना है, कंफ्यूजन नहीं होना चाहिए कि बिफोर द एग्जाम यू आर नॉट कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट योर रैंक्स एंड ऑल. ठीक है. कुछ लोगों का आ भी जाता है, ऐसा नहीं है. ओके, इट हैपेंस. देयर आर सम स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ माइन, दे हैव गॉट rank, but I was not expecting that they will be getting rank, but they got it. Understand? Okay, they got it. They are more lucky on this earth. They are very lucky. Understand? Sometimes, yeah, but if you are going with the strategy, right, so you can do well. Your rank will be certain then, if your preparation is good, right? Sometimes what happens, your preparation is not good, and like sometimes what happens, your preparation is good but your strategy is not okay, right? You don't know how to solve MCQ questions. कॉन्सेप्ट भी पता है, कन्वेंशनल तरीके से सॉल्व कर रहे हो तो फिर हो गया. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, this is one more point that I just want to share here, guys. Prioritize the high scoring topics. Irrespective of your branch, let's say you are from data science and artificial intelligence, okay, DA paper, okay, so linear algebra, probability, statistics, aptitude, calculus and optimization, these are, and data structure, these are subjects which are high scoring. Choose it and solve them. Focus on some subject, like you can say if you are from electronics and communication engineering student, so you are okay EC student, so digital electronics हो गया, network theory हो गया, communication system, okay, these are very easy to solve, right? I mean they don't take much time, okay, they are direct and quick to solve questions. Understand? Avoid overthinking. That is also very important point. Avoid overthinking. मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल बताता हूं, देखो. Let's say M is given, 3 by 3 matrix was given in, I'm talking about one question from the GATE examination, and where I lost 20 minutes. That was just because of overthinking. देखो क्या, M is given and they are asking the determinant of M square minus 12M is what? ठीक है. Now M is given, right, and you have to find determinant of M square minus 12M. Now I teach always that whenever there is a matrix and they are asking you to calculate determinant of M square minus 12M, means you have to think about it first. How can you break this? What I started doing in the GATE examination is I started overthinking. I thought let's calculate M square. देखो overthinking कहां पर आएगी? M square. मैंने एम स्क्वायर कंप्यूट किया, एम स्क्वायर कैसे करेंगे, एम इंटू एम, मतलब 3 by 3 मैट्रिक्स करेंगे यहाँ पर, राइट, एंड देन वी विल गेट सम यू कैन से दैट यू विल गेट एम स्क्वायर हियर, ठीक है। फिर क्या करेंगे, देखो -12m, राइट, सो वी विल मल्टीप्लाई -12 विद द मैट्रिक्स एंड देन सब्ट्रैक्ट इट, देन फाइंड द डिटर्मिनेंट। यू सी कितना टाइम लेने वाला है। Okay, that is called overthinking, that is called vague thinking. You are not using the concept that you have learned. You have spent 1 year, okay, to prepare for that subject. ठीक है, मैंने ऐसा किया है guys. I'm just sharing my own experience. I'm not sharing any aspirant experience. I'm sharing my own experience. Understand? So nobody is gonna talk correctly. Okay, I'm sharing my own honest experience. ठीक है, तो determinant of m square -12m. But in my classroom, what I told to student is कि आपको करना क्या है, you just check first this m, find out the determinant of m. If it is coming out to be 0, then find the connection with eigenvalue. One of the eigenvalue is gonna be 0, certainly, right? बस आंसर आ गया, ठीक है। और you can also write this guy as m minus 12i, ठीक है। If determinant of this is 0, means overall is gonna be 0 only, ठीक है, answer is gonna be 0. But before leaving the class examination hall, I found the answer 0, and I was regretting, I was cursing to me myself that what I have wasted 25 minutes, right? This is where overthinking comes into picture. क्योंकि आपको लगता है कि यार ये क्वेश्चन को हम करेक्ट करके ही मानेंगे, और आप लगे जा रहे हो एम स्क्वायर फाइंड कर रहे हो। याद रखना, कभी भी जब भी बड़ा ऑर्डर का मैट्रिक्स आएगा, वहां पर कभी भी आपको ये सब नहीं करना पड़ेगा, एम स्क्वायर एंड ऑल, यू नेवर हैव टू फाइंड आउट। whenever there is a size of the matrix is large, you have to use some property, keep in mind. जैसे बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स को अभी मैंने देखा टेस्ट सीरीज में, लेट्स से दे हैव गिवन सम 5 by 5 मैट्रिक्स and they are saying some rank of this matrix option is given, some option is given, right? Now what they are doing is they are applying elimination. Guys, don't do that. Use basic concept, how rank is related with the definition of linear independence. How rank is related with the dimension of column space, how rank is related with the dimension of row space, null space. All these things you should know. What are the definition of rank? What is this rank? What ranks talks about? Understand the structure of the matrix. डायरेक्ट मत करना चालू करो, एलिमिनेशन लगाओगे इसमें वेस्ट हो जाएगा टाइम, एंड यू विल नॉट गेट आंसर आल्सो, क्योंकि मोस्ट ऑफ द एलिमेंट इन रो और कॉलम विल बी 0 ओनली, है ना? ऐसा स्ट्रक्चर दिया जाता है गेट में इन द टेस्ट सीरीज आल्सो. सम स्टूडेंट्स showed me these kind of questions, right? So this is where you land, right? You waste your time because of overthinking. तो कभी ये सब मत करो guys, ठीक है? Whatever you have learned in the classroom, think how you should solve that question in the GATE exam, right? Then don't get stuck analyzing tricky questions, or you can say tricky options. Trust your preparation, move if you are unsure, right? Estimate or approximate. The lengthy calculation approximate value can often help you arrive at the correct answer faster. Recognize the common trap. Okay, be aware of the common mistake or distractor option that seem correct at the first glance. कभी कभी क्या होता है, जैसे एप्टीट्यूड में मैंने बताया था इन्फ्रेंस क्वेश्चन, राइट? सो फर्स्ट ग्लांस में लगेगा ये करेक्ट है, आप मार के चले आए बस, ठीक है? स्टे calm and focused, right? Stay calm and focused. A composed mind works faster. Avoid panicking if question feels tough, right? So I will come up with another strategy session. इसको आप implement करिए. Don't take it lightly, guys. If your aim is to land below 10 rank, below 100 rank, think about it. मैं उनके लिए बता रहा हूँ जो काफी स्ट्रगल करते हैं, जिनका 20 नंबर नहीं आता है, 30 नंबर नहीं आता, 40 नंबर नहीं आता. हम उनकी बात नहीं कर रहे हैं जो ऑलरेडी दे आर बाउंड टू बी अ टॉपर. देयर आर मेनी स्टूडेंट्स, दे आर बाउंड टू बी अ टॉपर, राइट? आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दोज पीपल हु डजंट नो हाउ टू गिव सीबीटी एग्जाम, जो गांव से बिलोंग करते हैं, ठीक है, जिनका मतलब स्टडी बैकग्राउंड इतना अच्छा नहीं था, जो नॉर्मल कॉलेज में पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, आई एम नॉट टॉक अबाउट, सी देयर आर सम गुड कॉलेज आल्सो अपार्ट फ्रॉम आईआईटी एंड एनआईटी, ठीक है। कुछ लोग बड़े शहर से बिलोंग करते हैं, उनका वो ऑलरेडी यू नो दे हैव स्मार्टर अप्रोचेस, ठीक है, वो लोग जेई अच्छे से निकाले हैं, दे हैव प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर इट। बट बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे भी हैं जो जेई तैयारी नहीं किए हैं, राइट, दे डोंट नो हाउ टू टैकल सीबीटी एग्जाम, और वो 20 नंबर नहीं ला पा रहे हैं, ठीक है। Okay, so we'll meet in the next session, guys. Hope you will like this video. Okay, so if you like it, you guys can share this technique among everyone. Thank you. We'll meet in the next session.